In this video, you'll see how Metrixon AI bundle works. No coding required. The dashboard is built for merchants who want to upload their orders and discover which product bundles perform best. If you're a developer or building an app for a merchant store, you can also use the Metrixon AI Bundler API to send orders and receive top bundle suggestions. But in this demo, we'll focus on how it works in the dashboard. Let's take a quick look around. On the left sidebar, you'll find two main sections, Orders and Bundles. In the Orders tab, you can upload your order history as a CSV file. Here, I'm using a sample file that includes order data from a test Shopify store. Once uploaded, Metrixon automatically processes the data. In just a few seconds, you'll get updated bundle suggestions based on real buying behavior. Once your orders are uploaded or synced, Metrixon automatically analyzes the data and shows your top product bundle suggestions. Each row in this table represents a unique combination of products your customers often buy together. The products column lists the items in the bundle. The scores column breaks down key performance signals, like how often these products are bought together and how much revenue they help generate. The total score combines those signals into a single value, helping you quickly spot the highest potential bundles. In the discount column, you'll see a suggested promotion type, such as a percentage or fixed discount, based on how profitable the bundle is. And finally, the reasons column explains why each bundle was picked, using clear insights like frequently bought together, above AOV, or top sellers. These columns together help you decide which bundles to promote with confidence. These bundles aren't just random suggestions. They're generated using AI and machine learning, combined with rule-based checks to ensure profitability and practicality. That means you're only seeing bundle ideas that are statistically strong, commonly purchased, and financially safe to promote. It's a smart shortcut to higher value sales without the trial and error. Metrixon also offers an API service, so you can integrate everything into your own app or storefront. This is ideal for Shopify app developers or teams building custom e-commerce platforms. Using our API, you can programmatically create orders, retrieve top bundles, and build smart bundling features right into your product. We've prepared full API documentation to help you get started quickly and easily. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback or questions, don't hesitate to reach out.